Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting episode of the Life in English podcast.
Yes, hello everyone. We're so happy you're here with us today. I'm Jen.
And I'm Kevin. So, Jen, how are you today?
Oh, I'm very good, thanks. And you, Kevin?
I'm excellent, thank you. Maybe a little tired, but good. It's Friday.
Ah, yes, Friday. Friday is a good day.
Yes, it is. Friday means the weekend is here. So, that's our topic today. We are talking about weekend plans and future events.
Perfect. We are going to talk about what we do on Saturday and Sunday, and also about things we want to do next week, next month, in the future.
Exactly. We want to help you talk about your plans. So, let's start with some basic vocabulary. Jen, what do you like to do on the weekend?
On the weekend, I like to relax, I like to sleep late.
Ah, sleep late. Yes, that's a good one. Me too. I also like to watch a movie. Or meet friends.
Yes, meet friends, that's fun. So, some verbs we use: to relax, to sleep, to watch, to meet. And some nouns: friends, movie.
Good, good. We also say, to go to the cinema, to go to a restaurant, to visit family, to go shopping, to play sports.
To play sports. Yes, like football or tennis, or just go for a walk in the park.
A walk in the park is nice. So, to make a sentence, we often use I am going to or I'm going to go.
That's right. For example, this weekend, I'm going to visit my sister, or I'm going to go to the cinema.
Perfect. You can also say, I want to, or I would like to. I would like to eat pizza this weekend.
Haha, me too, I always want to eat pizza. But sometimes I cook at home.
Okay, so that's the basic idea. But, Jen, sometimes we talk about plans that are not for this weekend. They are for next week or next year.
Ah, yes, future events. This is very important. We talk about birthdays, holidays, concerts, trips.
Yes. So, we need words for time. Next week, next month, next year, in 2 days, in June.
Or, my birthday is in October. Or, I have a doctor's appointment on Monday.
Doctor's appointment, good example. So, let's do a little practice. I will say a sentence, and you say a similar sentence, okay?
Okay, good idea.
For example, this Saturday, I'm going to clean my house.
Oh, cleaning is not fun. But okay. This Saturday I am going to wash my car.
Very good. And for a future event, next month I am going to go to a wedding.
A wedding. That's nice. Next month I am going to start a new English course.
Excellent. You see, listeners, it's not so difficult. You just need the basic structure. Time plus I'm going to plus activity.
But Kevin, sometimes plans change, right? Sometimes you say I am going to, but then you don't do it.
Haha, yes, that is true. Life happens. Maybe you are tired, or it rains, or a friend calls you.
So, we can also talk about possibilities. Maybe I will go to the park, or I might see a film.
Ah, yes, maybe and might are very useful words. They mean you are not sure. It is not a plan. It is an idea.
Exactly. So, a sentence can be, on Sunday I might visit my parents. Or, maybe I will cook a big dinner.
Perfect. So, we have plans and we have possibilities. Both are good for conversation.
Now, let's talk more about this. Kevin, tell me, what is your perfect weekend? What do you really like to do?
My perfect weekend. Well, first, no alarm clock. I wake up when I want. Then, a big breakfast. Pancakes, maybe.
Pancakes? Yum! I love pancakes with fruit.
Yes, with fruit and maple syrup. Then, maybe I read a book or listen to some music. In the afternoon, I like to do something active. Maybe play football with friends or go for a bike ride.
A bike ride is nice. I like that too. And in the evening?
In the evening, I like to meet friends for dinner. We go to a restaurant, we eat, we talk, we laugh. It's very relaxing.
That sounds like a great weekend. My perfect weekend is a little different. I like to be with my family.
Ah, yes. You have a big family, right?
Yes, I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. So, on a perfect Saturday, we all meet at my parents' house. We cook together, the children play in the garden. It's noisy but fun.
That sounds wonderful. Family is important, and Sunday.
Sunday is for rest. I stay at home. I call a friend, I watch a film, I prepare for the week. Maybe I go to the supermarket to buy food for the week.
Yes, Sunday is a good day to prepare. I often do my laundry on Sunday. Haha, very exciting.
Haha, laundry is not exciting, but it's necessary. So, listeners, what is your perfect weekend? Think about it. Maybe write it down in English.
Good idea. Now, let's think about future events. Jen, do you have any exciting plans for the future? Maybe a trip?
Oh yes, I have a very exciting plan. In July, I am going to go to Spain with my friends.
Wow, Spain. That's amazing. For how long?
For 1 week. We are going to visit Barcelona. I want to see the architecture, eat tapas, go to the beach. I'm very excited.
I'm sure you will have a great time. I love Spain. The food is delicious.
Yes, I can't wait. And you, Kevin, any big plans?
Well, my big plan is in September. My brother is getting married.
Oh, congratulations. That's a big event.
Thank you. Yes, it is. The wedding is in another city, so I am going to travel there with my family. It will be a big party.
That's lovely. So, you have a wedding in September, and I have a trip in July. We have things to look forward to.
Exactly. It's good to have plans. It makes you happy. Even small plans, like, next weekend, I'm going to see a new film.
Yes, small plans are good too. Okay, so we talked about our perfect weekends and our future plans. Now, let's imagine a little situation. A model dialogue.
Great idea. So, listeners, imagine you're at work on a Friday afternoon. You're talking with a colleague. You're friends. Let's do the dialogue.
Okay, I will start. Hey Kevin, it's Friday. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Hi Jen. Yes, I have some plans. On Saturday, I am going to play tennis with my friend David in the morning.
Oh, that's fun. I like tennis. And in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I need to go shopping. I want to buy a new jacket. And in the evening, I'm going to my parents' house for dinner.
That sounds like a busy day. And Sunday?
Sunday is more relaxed. I'm going to clean my apartment in the morning. Maybe I will go for a walk in the park later. What about you? What are you going to do?
Well, on Saturday, I'm going to study in the library. I have an exam next week. But in the evening, I might go to the cinema with my sister.
Good luck with your exam. What film do you want to see?
I'm not sure. Maybe the new action film? Or maybe a comedy. We will decide later.
Okay. And on Sunday?
On Sunday, I am going to meet my friends for lunch. We are going to try that new Italian restaurant in the city center.
Oh, I heard that restaurant is very good. You should try the pizza.
Yes. I love pizza. I will try it. Well, have a great weekend, Kevin.
Thanks. You too, Jen. See you on Monday.
So, that was a very normal conversation about weekend plans. Did you hear the different phrases we used?
Yes, we used I am going to for our plans, and I might for possibilities. And we asked questions like, do you have any plans? And what about you?
Exactly. These are the key phrases. Now, let's do a quick review. We are going to give you some important sentences to remember.
Okay, number 1. To ask about plans, what are you doing this weekend?
Or, do you have any plans for Saturday?
Number 2. To say your plan, I am going to visit my family.
Or, I am going to go to the beach.
Number 3. To talk about a possibility. I might go shopping.
Or, maybe I will stay at home.
Number 4. For future events, I am going to travel to Italy in August.
Or, my friend's birthday party is next Friday.
And number 5. To wish someone a good time. Have a great weekend.
Or, enjoy your trip.
Perfect. So listeners, try to use these phrases this week. Talk to a friend, or talk to yourself in the mirror. Practice is very important.
Yes, practice makes perfect. Now, before we finish, we have a question for you, our wonderful listeners.
Yes, we want to know about your plans, but not good plans. We want to know about boring plans.
Haha, that's funny. Yes, tell us, what is the most boring thing you have to do this weekend? Maybe you need to clean the bathroom, or go to the bank, or wash many dishes.
Yes, we all have boring plans sometimes. So, tell us in the comments below on YouTube. Try to answer in English. For example, this weekend, I have to wash my windows. It is very boring.
We will read your comments. It will be fun to see your answers. And remember, it's okay to have boring plans. Life is not always exciting.
So, that's all for today's episode of the Life in English podcast. Thank you so much for listening.
Yes, thank you. We hope you enjoyed talking about weekend plans and future events with us.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English conversations. And practice, practice, practice.
Have a fantastic weekend, everyone. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.